How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. So let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Cash App on mobile device. After you do that, go to the Balance tab at the bottom of the screen, and after you're on the Balance tab, click on Add Cash option. And after you've done that, enter the amount you want to add on your account. So after you've done that, what you'll need to do is tap on the Add button and select the type of gift card that you have. Under there, you will need to select your card, that is Walmart's gift card. And after you've done that, enter the card information, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. And after you've done that, click on the Add button and complete the process. And like that, you will be able to transfer your money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay